Okay, so I've got this brand new, at least for me, brand new shelf unit I made using that Kaizen foam material. I don't know if that's this actual brand. I actually had it in a box. It was like a couple of years I bought it and I threw it in storage. So I just took it out and I made this. So I decided that if I put it at slightly past 45, there would be no issues with the stuff, you know, if it got banged, anything falling out and landing on your toe or something crazy. So these are made, this is made out of a 2 by 4 foot sheet. I cut it in half, so this is 12 inches by 4 feet. And then here's another piece, and I'll show you how easy this is. So this one right here has a backing, 1/4 inch, and I'm not an expert on how to cut these out or anything like that. I probably didn't do a great job. I ain't got a lot of time to fiddle fart around. So that, and you just make a shelf, and with that lip, it slides in, hits the wall. It's perfect. I dig it. I'll show you underneath. This one has brackets, and these are, I think, 7 underneath again. Okay, so under here I have the 8-inch brackets. I have only 3 of them, and that supported the entire shelf. And then with this small shelf above, it's still easy to get to things, you know? You can put small items maybe up high is good. That way, I don't know. You arrange it how you want. You could build it in sections so that if you want to change it, you could remove it later. It doesn't have to be, this one happens to be 4 foot long. So there you go. And then with this shelf, I just added a cleat, a single cleat. That's all it's supporting, this whole thing, right? Except for this side, I strengthened it up with a small piece of wood with pocket screws on the side. And check this out. Look at that. Storage behind there. I have that. I have this, a track saw. Oops. These are getting jammed. Okay. That. Track saw. Track. So I think it's cool. You don't, I don't care. And then the additional shelf up here, up higher, for just bigger items, I think. I don't know if I'm going to leave it like that. I'm always changing things in the shop. I never tend to stay with the exact same thing. You know, I might do something not like it, and then next week it's changed. Hopefully this will stay. I think this is actually a very good setup. And I already know I'm missing a small combination square. I can tell it instantly. Here's a file. It goes right here. Gone. Here's a bigger one. It doesn't fit. But, yeah. There we go. That's about it. Thanks. And, you know, I can't get any more excited than that. All right. Happy YouTubing. What's a good outro? Happy woodchucking. All right. Let's try this one. Oh. So, subscribe. Hit that bell. I'm going to be making more videos than I've made before. You can see I've hardly got any, but I'm on a roll. So come back and hopefully I will have more going on that you will enjoy. Thank you. I'm going to end it there. I'm going to end it right there because sometimes I don't know how to end these things. So there you go. Get back to work.